Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. All right, so here we are. I'm gonna be real. Most of the stuff I'm looking at today has not moved. Uh, we'll kind of see. Might kind of default to the spy, but yeah, I'm on the lookout. If you see anything moving, say what's up. But yeah, until then, just gonna kind of be lurking around. See if anything has some good steam. And good morning, top of the morning. Good to see your name. Let's see. Wait, let me. Okay, it's moving. It's moving. All good. Hey, the like or the like ratio looking good. Stanley, top of the morning. Let's. I've actually kind of been like I've kind of looked at the charts here and there. Very welcome, Stanley. Travis, top of the morning. We haven't. I don't see much movement at all, and like anything. So I feel like they're either going away or Mass 3DRC. What's up, family? Top of the morning. Oh, let me see what Tesla's looking like. Doesn't look like there's really too much going on there either. Jojo, top of the morning. Thank God it's Friday. Oh, I don't know where you're at, but the weather in Dallas is glorious today. Here, let's see. Oracle's kind of down today. But it's kind of been consolidating a little bit. But yeah, Oracle's sold off. This might be. See what that's looking like. Patrick, top of the morning. Good morning. Hey, let's get that bread. I used to Travis said him's at 5%. Okay, let's see what's up with Hems. I'm out here looking for real. Back in Texas from El Salvador. Oh yeah. Oh wait. Jojo, are you actually back in Texas from El Salvador, or are you running our El Salvador thing? Hey, let me know. I feel like you're being like actually in Texas from El Salvador. If that's the answer, hey, cool. If it's the other one, that's still cool. But here, let's see what we got going. So Hims, yeah, it's up 5%. Kind of, yeah, good little push on the day. All right. 22 people on, only 10 likes. What we at, family? All right. Okay, yeah, Hims is running. Is there a catalyst for this? Let's see. One momentum stock. I'll see if I see anything anywhere else. I don't see anything right here. Buddha Deb, good morning. Yeah, D Scurv, BMNR, definitely one I want to be looking at. I did notice it came below 50 today, so let's see. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. Here, let me. Okay, looks good now. Okay, Jerry, good morning. Kong, good morning. Okay, back in Texas, San Antonio. Okay. Hey, well, welcome back, JoJo. You think Bull is, uh, here, continue? We can check for the continuation. I saw they were like 15. I noticed when they broke the trend line. So what? So right now they're kind of riding the 13 EMA. Um, it does look like they've kind of formed an uptrend. So I feel like I would prefer to go from this. Hey, which one of y'all is calling me from Los Angeles? Uh, hmm. I don't really see anything with enough touch points to really say it's valid yet. So I would just look at the EMAs right now. But yeah, I don't see anything valid enough. But yeah, I would actually it's kind of in an overbought area. There's resistance at this $15 area. It pulled up to this 1560 resistance and kind of sold off. So I would want to see it hold this 1430, then get back above 15. But yeah, as long as it holds this 1430 area, I would say yes, it can. I would look for it to continue its trend up. Let's see. AMD might have a nice bounce after this sell-off. Hey, let's check it out. Okay, so AMD is hugging this 200 moving average right now. No doubt AMD is charging up for some kind of big move. And I'm gonna say honestly, I don't see why it wouldn't be up, but actually there are a lot of reasons it could. Well, I wouldn't say a lot, but there are reasons it wouldn't be up, and I would say that would just be overall like economically, but like just with what the company is doing, I would lean towards upside. But here, let's zoom out a little bit. Let's go out to weekly, see what it's looking like. So it's still holding the 13 EMA on the weekly. Let's see. So we came up here, made a new high, set this low. This was kind of like our sweep of the low right here after revisiting. So honestly, I would think we push higher, but I would also want, like, just looking at this, I would probably want like at least 3 months on it personally. If I'm going and it didn't break anything yet. Like if I'm buying from right here and I'm assuming it's going up, I would want at least 3 months. But if we like come up here and say we break this trend line, or like right now it's kind of seems to be finding resistance at like the 165, 166 area. If we can break out past that, I might, go for it then with less time. But number 8, hit that like button. Hey, we're doing all right on the likes. 18, okay, we got like 4 lurkers in, but yeah, if you have not, hey, be sure to smash that like button. Not me, but will be there in 12 days. D-Scurve, are you talking about El Salvador or are you talking about Dallas? Yeah, I know you were talking about Cava the other day, but hey, Big Reg, top of the morning. Amazon got me in my feelings this morning. It tested and dropped 2 times. Like, what is so? Here we can talk about Amazon, Devin. Like, I definitely saw it, and I came close to thinking, oh, it might get to a point where I might have to cut out of these calls, but no, out of these puts. But as of right now, my thesis still stands on Amazon. So let's see. So like kind of similar to what I was saying with here. Let me pull up Meta too. Where is it at? So Meta's still doing what I was saying too. It's like let me go to a 4-hour. So like see how we're like going down and we keep coming back to test the 13 EMA? That's if we look at Amazon, it's coming back to touch the 13 too, and they're crossed to the downside. Only thing about Amazon is it's holding this level. It's like not making progress. It's just like consolidating. So I don't know if it's just today, but yeah, it's trading sideways, and it kind of looks like they don't want to pay anyone today. Actually, there was money to be made on like zero DTEs on SPY, but and I almost took it, but then I was like, oh, nah, let me not do that. I'm not trying to take that chance at an L like that. So I'll start top of the morning. Peace and blessings. Los Angeles, okay. I hear they're semi on the up and up again. Like, I heard it, how it got bad out there. I hear their situation is improving. So it's that's good. And I'm sure with D Scurv rolling out there is really gonna improve some more, because that's what D Scurv does. It comes through and it improves things. All right, let's see. So we kind of got like in this area where BMNR kind of, oh wait, this is a 15-minute chart. Okay, so I had something over here at 46. That's when it crossed to the upside too. But BMNR crossed to the downside. Interesting. But yeah, BMNR definitely has my interests. Not necessarily for the day, but just for kind of picking up. Henry, hey, top of the morning. Meta broke that low line. Yeah, so Devin, I feel like I'm gonna be real. I feel conflicted on Meta. The reason I haven't gotten a call is because, like, I like to trade with the trend, but the trend is down. So because the trend is down, I'm not as enticed by it sweeping this level. And actually, when we look at it, so if I were trying to play this, like this sweep right here, usually I target like the high before. So entry would be here, and like I would be looking to take profit like at this level. Now if we go out, we can see that like right here, wait, oh, we didn't touch it there yet, but wait, let me check. Oh, that needs to come down. So it'd be like right here. Okay, it didn't hit it perfectly, but we swept right here. It did push back up pretty close to that take profit level. And then, now it's selling down. So, like, I wasn't feeling necessarily the best. Something just, Tesla stock gets $600 price target, was raised to the street high. Okay, let's take a look at Tesla. But yeah, Meta, I say it swept the liquidity, but I don't think it's going to react because the trend is down. We got the 13 and 48 cross down. So it's like I'm still looking at this kind of the beginning of where this trend started at the 721, as well as this 691 as a like load the boat kind of area. All right, now I'm let's see if Tesla reacted to that at all, or maybe it already had its upgrade and just, yeah, my chart's being slow. Yeah, it probably got its upgrade over here. Yeah, everything I kind of looked at today hasn't been moving. It's like everything made a quick move, like for like the first 15 minutes, and then they just kind of stayed in a like tight range. Market cap info for Texas or Tesla looks at. Hey, let me use my newfound. I just found out that I can click on this. Oh, y'all can't even see it. Hold on. Let me bring that in a little bit. Or oh no, y'all still can't see it. Okay, I just found out that I can click on this button right here. And if I just look over, if I find Tesla's current market cap, 1.43 trillion. Pre-market was wild today. Oh yeah, we got some data. Here, what was it? Forex factory. I think we came in line on inflation. Yeah, so core PCE, we came in like in line. Uh, then we got consumer sentiment. We came in below expectations. And oh. Yeah, so we did some moving. I think last night I saw Google at like 250. I was like, oh, hold up. Google, I think this is the lowest I've seen Google today. Nah, it's not the lowest, but wait, how's Amazon looking? Oh, it's still up there. Yeah, oh wait, this is a 5 minute. Hold up. Let's go to a 15. Almost the lowest I've seen Google today. To those of you that don't know, or those of you that aren't like in the WAP, so this morning I grabbed some Google puts. So I have some Google puts that I'm riding right now. Did I? Oh no, these are calls. I'm in puts, but I already took profit on these calls this morning. So let's see. Let me swap these out. So I think I had October 10th puts. What's I think it was the 240. Oh, I already have them on my watch list. Oh, yeah, I had these a couple days ago. Hold up, I think I'm doing all right on those. I feel like unless I paid more than I think I did for them. I'm up on them, but I did pay more than I thought I did for them. Yeah, I paid like 274 for them. Let's go to the watch list. Where are we at? I'm looking for a Google. There we go. All right. Yeah, but Google's still holding up here too. I was calling for Tesla to 2 trillion and 3 trillion. Hey, I can see it. Yeah, that's a big pop on Tesla, but yeah, I can see it. Amazon has been hugging 2.8. For real. That it has. It's like I'm probably gonna have to hold my I was hoping that we could like swing, like we gap in one direction, so I could like have either my puts or calls just like up a considerable amount, but that was not the case. Took profit on a little bit, and then everything else, it was like it like didn't move. And I'm like, oh, my thesis is still in play. Yes, Amazon is severely undervalued and underpriced. I agree. Even though I am like technicals, I'm looking for it to come to that 211 area or 212 area. But yeah, I agree. I think Amazon is an amazing buy here. You know, I don't think Jeremy calls it amazing on for nothing. Here, let's hop in Moomoo and look at the top 0 DTE data. Also, real quick, let me get a. Oh, hold up. Google trying to make lower lows. Is it trying to make a new low? Hey, let's go Google. Also trying to check in on Rigetti. I gotta put on this. Oh, I just realized none of y'all got to see my watch list this morning. I like recorded a whole watch list, and the software that I used to record it, like when I stopped playing, it just like it said it was loading it in, and then it just never loaded anything in. So it's like I feel like I shared a watch list with y'all because I made one this morning, but I did not. Yeah, I actually didn't get to share that with y'all. But Rigetti did exactly what I thought it would do. It's kind of come up here, make this wick. Now I just need it to come down. I almost averaged down on that. But I was like, nah, I don't know the stock well enough to do that. But yeah, back to what I was doing. I was about to hop in on Moomoo, and I was going to look at the 0 DTE data. Yeah, they are burning premium on these contracts. The only top 0 DTE I see with green is the Intel 35 calls expiring today. They're up 115%. Oh, iron puts. Those are up 775%. My goodness. I need to figure out how to get out of trades faster. This morning, I was up, tried to get a trade or get out of a trade. I think because everyone was trying to take profits, Robinhood was slow and ended up losing. Do you have like Moomoo or Weeble or anything? Robinhood is good. Robinhood is good, and I would say like most of the time, Robinhood is not a problem for me. But also, I think most of the time on Robinhood, I'm not doing stuff right at open. So maybe like I would say if you're continuously finding it to be an issue at open, I would look to find a different or use a different brokerage for those kind of trades. I have Moomoo, just haven't learned enough yet. What kind of things do you need to learn on the Moomoo app? That's kind of what I'm trying to like when I'm like doing the content on in the little WAP. I'm all the videos are like Moomoo, so I'm trying to keep it kind of consistent. I think right now all I got in there is like how to buy and sell a contract, and then how to set a stop loss. But I'm not really sure like what else you would need to execute. I'm gonna be real. There's a lot of stuff in there. It can be overwhelming, but like when it comes to just like executing the trades, I think I would like to say I kind of cover the basis. But yeah, I was about to look at iron. Need to go back, watch your videos. Just started using Robinhood. And, oh yeah, understandable. So yeah, those are going to be on the WAP. I don't have those on YouTube. Just for the record. So we got 4 minutes till lunchtime. Let's see if that actually has an impact. Did you get the gold card from Robinhood? So no, have not got it. Let me look at the benefits. It's like cause I'm like I was recently looking for a different travel card, but none of them were really up to my liking. Like it's like I already have like the Amex and the Chase, but or like a few of the Amexes and the Chases, but I'm also really a fan of signing bonuses. I don't think Robinhood really has theirs for their card. Let's see. Click like. Oh yeah, please, please. All right, let's see. Let's see. I really like how Rigetti looks. I'm gonna be real. I like really lean towards us just having a random point during the day when we just get a bunch of selling volume. That's kind of how I feel about today. I don't think like I don't know what time they're gonna do it, but I think and actually it doesn't even necessarily have to be today. I think we either like just hit the sell button at some random point, or like we gap down, or just sell off on Tuesday. I don't. At some point, I think it's gonna happen. So, all right. Oh, okay. Google trying to move down. Rigetti trying to move down too. Hey, maybe the sell is closer than we know. Amazon not hasn't moved down yet, but all right. Let's see. Okay, so Robinhood 3% cash back. That's that's good cash back on all categories. Let's see. No annual fee. That's another one. Earn even more on travel. 5%. There's a Robinhood travel portal. I'll have to see what that travel portal's like. Um, Virtual cards, kind of like the Apple card. I mean, yeah, it sounds decent. Like, wait. 3% cash back. Okay, yeah. Spending 3% less, or yeah, getting things kind of at a 3% discount. Never hurt anybody. Oh, Meta's selling. Yeah, I think we're starting to sell now. So yeah, 11 hit. Things are starting to move a little lower. We'll see if we can like kind of continue this, but just paid off 2 credit cards. Don't need any more. Hey, true. I don't think anybody needs credit cards. I think there are some people who should not have them at all. Um, but yeah, congrats on the payoff. Actually, that's a big deal. But yeah, it's like if you just paid those two off, you're going to receive so many, so many offers in the mail and yeah, in the mail, email, anywhere they can get to you, they're going to try to get to you. They're going to be throwing loans in your face, all of that stuff. Let's see. Here, let me take another look at that. Amazon is still not doing anything. Time for a credit increase. Gotta love credit. Hey, no, yeah, that's nice. The credit increase. I kind of appreciate those. So one, I remember one time, like depending on what kind of moves, depending on what kind of, I do not use credit cards. I refuse if I do not have the cash. I can't afford it. Let me not say what I was about to say. Then I don't want to like change y'all's minds in certain ways. Um, yeah, I'm not trying to like it's like there are certain kind of people, or they're like depending on what you're doing, it could. I'm gonna still tell the story. Um, he said, nah, say it. I like to hear it. Well, it's like I don't know. I feel like my life started changing when I started getting into like different rooms and like honestly, it wasn't even like necessarily different rooms, but I think like my wife and I have always kind of hung out with um, not necessarily like old people, but people who were decades older than us. So because of that, people who spend their lives doing things or people kind of looking to mentor people and whatnot. I don't know. We kind of find ourselves in their I don't know, just kind of find ourselves amongst them instead of like just hanging out and partying and doing all that stuff. And I remember one year for the 4th of July, we were like on a boat with these people, and I remember I was just sitting there listening. And one of the men was talking about like I think it was like I'm not sure if it was his first property flipped or anything, but it was it was at a point in time when houses were going for this much, and this was like a really nice house apparently, but oh he had a I don't know, he said he had just got like 2 credit cards, or no, maybe I think he said he got like 3 or whatever, and he I think one of them gave him a $50,000 limit. The other one gave him like a maybe a 30, and the other one gave him like a 25. I think he said he called 2 of them, asked if they could raise his limit to 50, and then he like he bought like an entire house. I'm not sure if it was a down payment or the entire house, but it was like all on the like just on that credit right there. So he used $150 in credit, but he like just a few days later, like flipped it and like sold it, and he paid his cards off. He didn't like get charged any interest or anything. It's like he knew where the money was going, but that's like it's like when you have like a plan for it, like having access to that extra can be very beneficial. Because it's like me, it's like sometimes I see a lot of opportunities that it's like, oh man, that's really nice. I can't take that opportunity yet. So gotta continue to build up the capital. And like honestly, when I get to that point, I'll probably, bro. I didn't even know you got ads, bro. Let me see. Where's it at? Oh, monetization. All right, the ads should be off unless you like leave the video and come off or come back. The ads should be gone. But yeah, I didn't even know you got ads. Like, do you get ads when we have the private stream? That's crazy. I was like just wondering. I'm like, do they get ads? Cause y'all shouldn't get ads for the private stream. And now they're saying that would be a good time to insert ads. Oh, for real? That's crazy. Hey, like if you want to just like in the morning, you say good morning. I would like to not have ads on this stream. Like if you say something or good morning ads or something, maybe that'll be my off because it's like automatically on when I sign on or like start the stream every day. But no, I'm not trying to hit you with the ads because if you get an ad, it will like throw you behind. That's how y'all be getting behind. I'm like, I'll be talking and then y'all just I'm like, yo, I said that like 3 minutes ago. Really? Jerry, bro? Oh, okay. That's wild. Yeah, y'all gotta let me know, especially when it's private. I'm like, yeah, I'm not trying to feed these ads like that. It might be a little different if they were instead of 44, they were like 44,000. It might be. I don't know what the ads would be like, but it might be worth something. I don't know. You say you got no ads. Do you have you have YouTube Premium? I don't know why I thought a lot of y'all had YouTube Premium. All right, Google kind of a little pop. I thought we were gonna sell off, but right now I still like lean towards us having a sell off, like in general. But right now it's not looking like the sell off was happening when I thought it was happening. Is Fidel? Yes. Is he saying something to you? Yeah, D Scurv. He's a part of my team. G Nice, what's up? Work has been crazy. Up 175 for the week. Good stuff, G Nice. Good stuff. Wait, how am I doing this week? I don't know. It's like I was up, I came down, I pushed back up, but I don't know like how I'm doing on the week. Let me see. How do I wait? What was the first day this week? Was that the 21st? As of right now, I'm down like $55 actually. Crazy. But last week I was up like 1,500. So it's like from when I like funded this one, is I'm still doing good, and I've been able to get more positions and send more to my what is it, my oh, you said you got a friend request? These Scurv? You said you got a friend request. I mean, see what he has to say, but like if it starts sounding sketchy, like let me know, please. And it's like I think like it could be somebody. Oh, it was the 22nd. Actually, hold up. I think I'm doing a little better than. Actually, I don't think it would have made a difference because that would mean the 21st was on Sunday. But yeah, if it looks sketchy or anything, that might it could be like somebody, the same way people impersonate me, could be somebody trying to impersonate him. I don't know. I'm poor. I just lost 3K this week. Make stupid calls. I need to reset my. Oh no. Like we gotta even if we're joking, we gotta fix our self talk as well, because it's like, even if we're joking, our subconscious hears it, and it kind of holds on to that. So Devin, hey, I think you're very intelligent. I actually do think you're very intelligent, and it's like you might not sometimes you like to play risk, but you're just trying to learn faster. So that's what I like to think. G nice, I'm just talking day trades. Oh yeah, I'm not sure I've taken any like day trades over the past week or so. Amazon has the last bit of money. Otherwise, I got. Dang, Devin, you're kind of making me feel like yeah, you're kind of making me not want to win on this Amazon. Imagine if trading was like Savage and you had to like see, like just stare the person in the eye that was on the other side of the trade from you. Up 32K for the year. That's yeah, makes me feel better. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. What is what does Nike's fundamental and technical analysis? They have earnings next week. Hold up. Are we starting earnings? We're starting earnings over again. Just cashed it all out in a high yield saving account. Trying to live off $200 not working well. Oh, that's yeah, $200. That's Yeah, that's I don't know. Could I live off $200 a week? Nah, not if I actually had to account for all my expenses, like my car and my. But trying to teach myself to wait for the play so I do not jump in. Yeah, that's like honestly when it comes to doing that, that's like a muscle. Yeah, it's like y'all see it. It's like I'll have to tell myself like, oh no, I don't need this. Like, oh yeah, I probably should not do this. I have to say that like 5 times for me to not take the trade. They're really not trying to give us anything right now. Here, let's see what the spy is looking like on the 5. It's looking extra choppy. Oh wait. Marvel showing some life. Yeah, I can go for some life right now. Yeah, they pushed up about 70 cents. See him on the 15. But I also feel like I kind of see if it gets above that. Or actually, here let's slide this a little more. Hold up. Okay. So we got Bitmine over here. I just saw ETH. It's up like 2%. Oh, this is crazy. Give me some juice. Come on. with Devin on Amazon. 250 or bust. 10, 10, 25. Oh my. Oh my. Hold up. Y'all got me want to take another look at Amazon. So I think at 222, it's like I'd be willing to flip to the other side of Amazon. So if it wants to like, it would be nice if it can do it during market hours, so I can actually take advantage of it. So I'd be cool with that too. Okay, actually it looks like things are finding a little bit of life. Hold up. What just happened? Hold up. All right, yeah, we just found some kind of life. Hold up. All right, so we got Amazon at just popping up to 220. We got the SPY just getting some big candles. Yo, did we get some kind of news? Yo, heads up, Meta just swept liquidity. So I had Meta like sweeping this morning, or like sweeping earlier. Was there like another level of liquidity? Hold up, let's see. Yo, my trading views being kind of slow. Will to the feed. BMO raised the S&O target to 7K. Oh, S&P, okay. Oh, okay. Where is this gonna last though? I mean, let's go up to the 15 on the SPY. All right, so there's the 200 moving average. Let's see if it can get above that. Just got news. Trump says there will be others prosecuted after Comey. My question is this a lasting movement that's going on right now? We'll see if we find like actual life. It's like we're up, but I'm not fully convinced. The volume's kind of low on this SPY. It might be a little fake out. I don't know. Meta is one rocket ship in the next 2 weeks too. Yeah, I'm with you there. Hey, yeah, I would say 2 weeks. I just want to see how low it can come first. Like right now, while it's kind of selling off. Like it's like I feel like, yo, we got maybe like what 1 or 2 trading days left of the month after today, or 3. Hold on, I got my calendar right here. Yeah, we got 2 trading days after today. It's like I feel like we can sell off coming into the close of the month. All right, so volume showing this a little bit higher. Nothing crazy, but if we decide we want to like break out today, I got the money to support it. Devin said that long candle. Yeah, this was the one I was saying we had already. Meta could drop again by Tuesday. D curve, I'm of the belief that both can. Here, let me go back to the 4 hour. But I think the last time you and I saw things two different ways, you came out on top. It was with that Palantir move. I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna trade it to the downside, and Palantir just goes up. But I couldn't see it any other way. But Amazon does like, it is like showing support here. So if it fails to make a low, another low, it's like, could be. But I would also like to see it push too. The potential government shutdown could facilitate something too. Yeah, let that fear go up over the weekend. Yeah, I feel like we got a lot looming right now that could bring some things down. And I feel like a lot of those things aren't like really, really in focus. If Amazon goes above, I think it went above that today. I think it just needs to close. Yeah. It looks like it got as high as like 221. Or I guess that was pre-market. No, yeah, I remember looking at that actually. I was ready to close out the puts and flip out in the calls, but it didn't hold long enough. Yeah, we definitely need to hold something, cause right now, yeah, I'm gonna back out to the 4 hour on everything. So I got a trend line for the SPY and a trend line for the Qs, but the SPY is like above its trend line and the Qs is like a good amount below. Dang, I see everybody voted 58% red. Let me check in on Tesla again. Let's see where it's at. $431. I voted green, but a lot can happen. No, yeah, for real. A lot can happen. It's insanity. We're just like chilling here. The reports this morning were positive. I feel like the consumer sentiment was like, well, yeah, I guess they weren't too bad. Consumer sentiment was just a little bit lower. Yo, hold on. I'm gonna get a snack. I just yeah. That sounded a little bit too close to. Can y'all hear me? I'm in my kitchen right now. All right, let's see. All right, I'm back. Okay. Let's see if Amazon can hold above like 220 first. Oh, y'all, help me analyze Apple. What y'all think here? Let's see. All right, so I'm looking at Apple, right? I noticed, yo, we got this trend. Here, let me cut it out. Like, yo, we got this uptrend. And then, yo, we made this high over here. Came over here, made another high. You think we're going to keep consolidating and then possibly go up? Or you think, oh, maybe, hey, we're about to get ready to come down and retrace this trend line? What y'all think? That Nvidia call last week made me like 15K. Hey, that was good timing with Nvidia. Yeah, it was like, yeah, I remember we're like, yo, what's going on? Checks news. It's like, yo, we got in on the early enough part of it. Yo, I think I went to the door, like got a package or something, and then came back. Nvidia like popped a little, and I'm like, oh, hold up. Then we like hopped in. I had some puts. I had to close them out, flip the calls. But now it's like, it seems like Nvidia has been investing so much in the other companies now. It doesn't even mean as much now. So Apple to 245 or lower by October 10th. Seems fair. Yeah, because they already came, and we already got the sweep of liquidity move. We didn't like make a higher high, so yeah. Here, let me clear this little liquidity marker because we already did that. And it like kind of like that liquidity sweep enter actually still worked out, just wasn't like instant, like took like a day. Apple definitely pushing higher, maybe 300 soon. Oh, let's check out their market cap real quick. So Apple's 3 trillion or 3.8 at 255. We gotta do the math real quick. Wait, what's wait, what did you say? Apple at the top of a recent trend line going back to July 1st on the 4-hour. Is it like a channel? Oh, hold on. Let's see. Here, let's see. If we tried to I don't know. Yeah, SPY's not going anywhere. But I kind of see it. Like you got one here, one here, one here. I can't draw it perfectly, but I see it. Yeah, they're just playing with us. No, every now and then on Friday they gotta give us something. I guess that's why they come back, or why we come back. Yeah, they're laughing in the back. Look at these weirdos, thinking we paying it. Hey, for real. I would like to get paid. On the daily though, Apple is looking like a let's see. Different time frames. Sometimes I forget to look. Oh. But yeah, even if we get like one day that's like crazy, we pull back, that could still like fall in line with that. But yeah, it very much does. Very much. Anybody got any fun plans this weekend? Let's see. Game for our b-ball team this Sunday. Nothing like Sunday basketball. I know how yesterday I like sent out that message, like Trump had that whatever Trump, they did the little TikTok deal or whatever. They finally came to an agreement. I was like bullish. Yeah, I missed that. That did not appear to be bullish. Yeah, if we look at Oracle today, Oracle's hurting. Was that lift in the green today? Let's see. Oh, this is almost at the 13 daily. It might end up being something too. Let's see. Yeah, they still got this gap down to this 2031 area. Okay. We have an IG and website if anyone is interested in following or merch. If you want to like message it to me, I can like post it in the chat. Like if you want to, I don't know if you want to drop it in the Discord, I can post it in the chat here because I don't think they'll let you. I don't think they'll let you do it on. I think if you try to post anything, I don't think we'll see it. But I think if I do, it'll be all right. I'll be willing to take a look at it. All right, SPY is back here at 661. All right, let's see. Might be able to hold up. I'm gonna get rid of these EMAs. It's a little too much for me right now. Let's see, or at least on this time frame it is. Hold on, let me see something. So looking on the day, looking at the strategy. This line actually kind of held. So, I mean, I'm glad I didn't take that trade, but it's like, it did end up playing out because we never got confirmation below it. So if you took entry over here, the target would be right over here. Okay. Yeah, they were just playing games. But also the trade's almost done, so SPY closing at what today? I think it's closing lower. I might take a chance and grab a short in this area up here. Let me see. This, like this general area in this zone. It's not a supply zone, but it's a region that I would be willing to. You think 658? I'd be cool. I'd be cool with that too. Here, let me actually check the top options for the. Oh, okay. These curves shared it. Here, let's see. Let's see if it works in the chat. I don't think. Hold up. Doesn't look like that worked. Let me try to type it in here real quick. There we go. We gotta throw that HTTPS or whatever at the front. There we go. All right, let's see. What was that? Oh, I was looking at the SPY. All right, so I'm gonna turn the 13 and 48 back on. And go to lower time frame. Go to like a 2. Yeah, I feel like going for a snipe today. But if I go for a snipe, this isn't going to be one that's shared in the Discord just because it's like higher risk. I said I will only put like the high quality stuff in there. Let's see. I always descarve. Let's see. Let's take a quick look. Upcoming basketball workshops in Panama. Faith-driven focus, lifelong impact. Let's see. Where's the merch? Store. Okay. Ride together, go red together. Well, let's see. Let's see. See if we can hit this. What? Hold up. What was that? Here, let me go back to a. Yeah, let's see if we can retest this high one last time. Oh, hold up. I wanted to check the options numbers real quick. What was it? So 660 calls are up 21% on the day. For the 0 DTEs. Let me look at all the calls real quick. 659 is up 40. Yeah, but the 660 is up. Okay, the 661 is up like 5%. All right, if I look at the puts. Okay. Oh, no, don't. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, I'm not trying to do that. Are we about to hit that high? All right, so we touched that high, so all right, so I just grabbed 661 puts. I grabbed like 5 of them. I'm gonna try to scale up. I paid, what did I pay? I paid like 82 cents per share. I would like to see if we can get back to 660 at all. But yeah, I'm gonna back out to like a 5. I'm gonna set alert on this 13 EMA on the 5-minute. And I'm gonna try to see if I can do that. Try to slide this up. Oh, hold up. That's not even the right spot. That would have been bad. There we go. My break even. Let's see how the options are looking today. Once again. So those, what are they? All right, so the 660 calls are still up 35, almost 36% for the day. look at the, wait, INTC, the train that won't, really, still moving. Let's see. Dang. It's gonna have a pullback. It's gonna have some kind of pullback, but wow. So here, let's see. Oh yeah, there's a lot of puts coming in. I was gonna say, oh yeah, we should get below 660, but there are a crazy amount of puts. So we'll see. You said we in any trades? So I took a spy put. I'm just being risky right now. I took a 661 put at like 661.11. It's going against me right now. I mean, it's a 0 DT. We can go to like a 15. Anthropic to triple international workforce as AI models drive growth outside US. Let me go down to a lower time frame on the Intel. All right. 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Amazon closed first 30-minute candle at 220. Oh shoot, really? Yeah, buyers push it up there. Oh, what's this? What's this gray zone I have on here? Oh, okay. Tesla my Tesla showing a little bit of strength. See if it can get over. Yeah, let's see. Amazon loses VP helping lead the Department of Artificial General Intelligence. Interesting. How recent is that? Yeah, Amazon loses VP helping lead development of artificial general intelligence. That doesn't sound good, but that's also something that could be reacted to later. Do your thing, spy. Amazon right there at $19.99. All right, spy. Come on. What you gonna do? Come on, spy. You want to pull back. Here, actually, we got a pretty good impulse move right here. Oh, yeah, I like that. See how this candle closes. We still got like 9 minutes on it though. Trying to melt up some more. Jamie said, what's the game plan for today? So honestly, the market's not moving, really. I have a bearish kind of lean for my how I'm tilted, but right now I'm just in some 661 spy puts, 0 DTEs, just kind of playing around. I think I can make some money off of them, but there's not really anything that's like in motion right now because we're not really getting any movement on the market at the moment. Yeah, there's like nothing breaking any significant levels. And we got Amazon at 220, but nothing stepping outside of the range. Nice, made some money from SPY yesterday too, but yeah, I agree it's better to not trade. Yeah, there is like no movement right now. We did have some movement with this. SPY did give a little volatility today, but it also did a lot of messing around over here. Any big plays to load up for now for Monday? Not necessarily. So once again, I'm leaning towards downside. So like when it comes to stuff I'm in, I have puts on Google, I have puts on RGTI, and I have puts on Amazon that I'm like riding right now. But they're all like today they're all like trading sideways. So Amazon is like close to invalidating. Like if Amazon wants to come above 220, my puts will be invalidated. Uh, Google is in the region where I got the put, so not really too much to say there. And then Rigetti, let me take another look at Rigetti. I know Rigetti's on the downside of a trend line, so not really too much to say there. I think I'm there you go. But yeah, the market's not really just giving anything just ready set up. Maybe towards the end of the day, but do you use a paid stock scanner? No. I do not. I typically just kind of look at the same stocks every day, and then like I also will get news alerts on from Moomoo or from Ground News or anything like or CNBC, and if I see anything that looks interesting on there, sometimes I'll look outside of the normal stocks I trade. Yeah, Fridays are like this a lot. I wouldn't say they're always like this. But yeah, I would say they're like that a lot. Bull still running. Oh, that it is. Spy still slowly melting up. Yeah, it's better to just watch the market versus losing money. Yep. Or just go about and enjoy your day. I would say Friday is definitely the day to do that. 9 times out of 10. Maybe come back last hour to 30 minutes, see what's up. But other than that, is at my door. Hmm. Any plans for the weekend? Um, other than what is it? I got like a homecoming football game to go to tonight. Other than that, nah. How about you? Any plans for the weekend? No, D Scurv is hooping on Sunday. Got some Sunday hoops. Tesla at 432.12. Football games are always nice, but no, just stay home, plant some trees. Hey, planting some trees. Hey, that sounds like some crazy work right there. Hopefully they're not too big. Hopefully they grow to be big. Sounds cool. Sounds productive. Let's go Tesla my Tesla. Are you in on Tesla? All right, let's see. We'll come back to the 5 minute check in, see where the CMA is. Let me also adjust this real quick. All right, so still looking for about 660.06 as of right now. And on a call expiring October 10th. Yeah, that's the date of most of my contracts right now. Yeah, I think that's all except for the 0 DTEs I grabbed. All right, Meta back at 770 or 744. If it can't get back above like 746, that might be trouble short term. so actually averaged down a little bit. My average cost is like 68 per share now. Just for the record. Markets. Looking double topish on SPY. Hey, I'm hoping. I'd like to see us get to like 660. But yeah, I'm gonna pull some of my risk off in a second. Just wanted to lower my average. Oh, hold on, wrong chart. Oh, that 30-minute looks like still got 8 minutes on it, but it looks like we might be near a top. Looks like we got some sellers right here at this 661 kind of 35 area. What just happened? Amazon back at 220. Can we please get a pullback? If everyone keeps buying puts, that's going to push it up on the cool. The more put volume that we get, the less the more they're going to push it up. I was like, if we get a pullback, it'll be once people start closing out of their puts, or whenever it goes, what is it? Or whenever they close us out of whenever the market maker closes us out. Don't you think that? George, I think it's very well a possibility. It's very well a possibility. Not like it being Friday. I don't know, but it's very well a possibility. Yeah, we got some liquidity up there and some sellers. Oh, you said 662. Yeah, it's very well a possibility. It's kind of like the longer we sit here, the more it like looks like, yeah. Yeah, we might actually have a trend now. Nah, I think we're just gonna get like a double top. Yeah, this is a steep kind of. Yeah, because we got like a double bottom here. Yeah, that could lead us to a double top. Tesla at a critical point. Oh yeah, that's about there. Let's see. So I see that area you're talking about. Oh no, that's no, it came up to like wick that 435 area. All right, Amazon at 220.41. Meta at 745.40. Let me check in on Google. Hey, low key, Google's back at 248. Hold up. This is kind of an area I'm kind of watching. See how it holds here. Like I kind of want it to hold below this area. Let me come back and look at Amazon the 4-hour too. Yeah, I like to see Amazon stay below 221. Meta can stay below like 746. Make me feel better, but ultimately just below this like 753. Still fine. But honestly, like, what's moving the SPY right now? It's like we're kind of moving up, but we're not like broadly moving up. Apple's at a high. That'll do it. Hold up, let's see. Oh, actually, it's not even. What was this run right here? Like that's from like 255. Yeah, that's a solid run on Apple. Apple iPhone 17 sales off to strong start, Evercore says. They announced a $600 price. Yeah, so saw it. I forgot who it was. I did see they announced a $600 price target on Tesla. I forgot which analyst, but yeah, I saw they did it though. Okay, so Apple kind of with the double top right here. Let's see if this can help bring us back down. If Apple comes down some more, because now the Apple's coming down. See, it's pulling back a little bit. Nah, it's trying to hold up. Okay, yeah, bring it down a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit now. Oh no. Popped again. Market looking like Red Sea today. Why? Cause it's like split. You said no, man. No, man. Don't pop again. Hey, well, hey, the market will do what it does. Always get so close. Yeah, so they can see the orders. So it's like if there's a bunch there, they're gonna try to get as many people out as possible. Let me look at the options order volume real quick. Say, oh wait, so a lot of 662 calls. Nah, yeah, I still feel like it should. I feel like it should still come back below 661 in the least. Here, let's see. Pretty sure it's because of the inflation report. Come through come through to the promised land. What made SLV run? I have not looked at it. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh, it might have something to do with didn't Trump say something about like tariffs? Like 100% tariffs? Let me see. I feel like that might be something that's encompassed in that. Let's see. Imported drugs, trucks. Hold up. So I got an AI overview on why the price of silver is going up. So it says including increased industrial demand in sectors like solar panels and electric vehicles, investor demand for silver as a safe haven during. Wait, okay. Combined with the weaker U.S. dollar and anticipated Federal Reserve interest rate cuts, which make silver more attractive. So that's what it says. You said it always feels personal. Hey, don't take it personal. There's a bunch of other people here like you. For what I have right now, I have that it should come down below 661 if they're not trying to pay anyone. For what I have now. I'm down $20. Oh no, I don't feel bad. I told y'all the rest. I'm down too. But no, yeah, I still have it coming down though. It just I think it'll take longer. We'll see. Let me see where my alert is set right now. So it would be it's alert to set me at this actually like about where I entered at 661.11. I might need to adjust it, but I'll probably like cut out a half at that point. I'm hanging in for the drop. Let's pray on SPY. Time equals decay. Nah, yeah, that is how they get you. That's why I got the strike I got. Tried to get it when it was in the money. But from what I have, let me see. Let me see what everything pushed to. Where's it at? Yeah, it looks like it would still be beneficial for them to keep it like right at 660. That looks like where the highest benefit is to all the, I guess, to the market makers, is for it to expire around 660. SPY can drop to 640 as long as Amazon is not. Hey, I feel multiple ways about that. I'm on multiple sides of that trade. I'm on multiple sides of that. Yeah, let's see. There we go. String some black candles together. I feel like SPY was down this morning. Amazon was actually kind of holding up. Like when it was like in the pre-market, when the SPY was, what was it at? Yeah, I guess when it was at like just below 598. Oh man. Ever since that pop, Nvidia been on some BS. Are you talking about a pop, the pop from earlier in the week, or the pop from this one? Like on the 5 minute. Okay. QQQ and the SPY look almost identical. If it does, the Qs are either close to breaking out or close to selling off. I want a mega dump. They always. Hey, they kind of gave us a good run up earlier, and they kind of gave us a good dump this morning too. Like, cause I almost took this trade earlier. I was just like, just cause they like to do stuff like this right here, I was like, nah, I'm gonna leave it alone. But yeah, they are running that theta down. Crypto rebounded with Bitcoin back above 110K. That'll do it. Also, Nvidia pushing up like that will do it too. I didn't realize Nvidia pushed up too. Give it a little more time. I'm with you. I'm with you. But also a little more haste too. Because the way they are with this theta, oh, theta's the worst whenever you trade like less than like 2 weeks. It's not, yeah, it's not your friend. Or it's the worst when you're buying it. But if you're selling it, hey, theta's that guy. Hey, one day you'll have to be on the other side of the option contract. Is this? All right, pulling back on the Qs, pulling back on the SPY a little bit. Good looking to like ratio. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Good, yeah, good lurk to like ratio. Appreciate everybody who smashed the like button. What's the phenomenon where it legit feels like every time you enter it wants to? I don't know, but I feel like that happens to a fat amount of the people in the market. I say that happens to me a good amount, but also there's a lot where I get in and I'm like, ooh, like I timed that perfectly, but can't exactly say. All right, so here, let's zoom in. I'm gonna shrink this down, get a little bit better so I can see a little better. He said that's the FOMO phenomenon. Guess that's one way to call it, FOMO phenomenon. Okay. FOMO Big Momo. Okay, selling off a little bit. Try to wait. Okay, lift is pushing. What kind of pushing? Oh shoot! Hold up. Oh, hold up. SPY just hit my first lift. Here, let me did I set a alert on that EMA? Cause lift this liquidity, it got like 3 full candles below it. So it's like I don't want to play that anymore, the liquidity. But I think I did set an alert on this 48 EMA. Alright, so SPY has pulled. Here, let me go up to a 10 real quick. Yeah, let's. Where are we at? I try to keep my stop loss close because if we don't go my way, I'm not losing a dime in these types of areas. If we do fall here, I'm targeting a VWAP. Where's the what value is the VWAP at? Was it around like 660 something? If I had to guess. It's looking like it wants to dump on QQQ. We'll probably get the same on the SPY. Stan, did you? No. So Stan, it's live. Live is 10:30 to 1 p.m. every day. It's just Monday through Friday is private. It's just for the people in the WAP. But yeah, it's 10:30 to 1 p.m. every day. Just slowly pushing up. Are you talking about Amazon? Oh yeah, it is kind of. It's slowly and barely pushing up, but it's pushing up a little bit. Hey Stan, missed your name. Missed your name. Oh, sound down a little more. Hey, let's sell a little bit. Come on. Sell it on. Sell it on. Sell it on down. All right, I'm at my break even price. All right, I'm a little out. I gotta make sure to actually put that in though. I'll sell out at like half. Oh, not buy. Hold up. It's on buy. Hold up. Yeah, I'm not trying to buy. I'm trying to sell. Sell out like half of them. Did that go in? Whoa, hold up, hold up. Oh, okay. I was about to say. All right. So I got an order in to take like $2 profit on half the contracts I bought. I just bought the contracts I have to that like brought my average down. All right, those just got filled. So now my average cost. Oh, it didn't really affect my average cost, but I'm up on the contract now. Here, let's see. It was like right before the stream's done. Let me cast out green, took profits. Good stuff, Matthew. Way to go. Yeah, that may have been it right there. I still got like 5 contracts, but I might have to update y'all on what happens with those. I put an order in for like 2 more though. Yeah, SPY looks like it's going towards 658 slowly but surely. I would buy a put, but it hit my limit. Oh yeah, no need. This is just me being dumb, or not being dumb, but this is me just messing around. I wouldn't like this is the market's not giving us like too much today. So it's not really a trade that I would take personally. If I was like serious. Apple was the culprit. It dipped, SPY dipped, and we dipped. When Apple dips, you dip, we dip. Let's get it. Oh. Ass broke, days high. Is it? Love this game called trading. I just like to get the checks. I like to get the checks. I'm too invested in this game. I paid too much tuition. I think I love investing. Trading, like yeah. Hold up. Where's did I hold on? Let me see how those are doing. Nah, I'm still doing better. Okay, let's see. It's going to wait. It's going to make money though. That's for sure. If you're serious or not. Good trade for a Friday with no movement. So Friday we did have movement. It's just like we had good movement. It's like only thing is there was no good movement without theta. Cause ideally, like if I came in and I was like willing to trade, like I actually thought about like taking an entry on the retest of this down trend line, and then it also kind of aligned with my other strategy, I would have been stuck in this. So I would have entered the trade right here. My target would have been over here. But yeah, actually that's not even that good because this came down like no, actually that's not too bad. That's just like too much time for what the trade was. Tesla, let's go. Oh, what's Tesla looking like now? Did it come back to that 45 area or that what 30? What is it? I don't even know what price Tesla's at anymore. 430. Oh, okay. Hold up. What on earth? Hey, they're just letting it go wild now. You got Amazon popping. Whoa. Wedbush estimate. Hold up. What is this? This is the kind of thing that makes me want to FOMO. I'm not going to, but it makes me want to. All right, let's see. Tesla. I don't even see anything like just in the last few minutes. Yeah, I guess that's just a breakout. See you in that. Oh yeah, sure. All right, yeah, it's time to conclude. All right, see you in Amazon Monday for the next show. Hope we close today at 2:21 and go to the moon next week. Have a good weekend. I still stand behind what I've been saying all day. So I still stand behind what I've been saying all day. But yeah, with that being said, family, that's gonna do it for today. I'm gonna set my order or set. Let me see. Like I got order to sell mine at like where is it? I got an order to sell some at like 70. No, that's where the last price I sold it at. Oh, I got an order to sell at like 77. But worst case scenario, I get sold out by the market makers. I am fairly confident that it'll still have value for that. So we'll see. That's going to do it. Not by the market maker, by the brokerage. But yeah, that's going to do it for the day, family. I will see some of y'all again next Friday. I'll see some of y'all on Monday. And with that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, Stan. Peace out, Devin. Peace out, RG Cutta. Peace out, Matthew. Peace out, Jamie. Peace out, D Scurv. Peace out. What else we got in here? Travis. Yo, y'all have a blessed weekend. And yeah, y'all try to enjoy yourself. Hey, spread love, not hate, cause y'all know this world needs it. Lucky J, what's up, family? Yeah, peace out. But yeah. That being said, Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, family.